True healthcare innovation is not a solo project. It requires collaboration among everybody involved in the healthcare team. Students bring fresh ideas, an open mind, and the courage to question existing practices. Experienced caregivers, such as doctors, nurses, and other disciplines, offer knowledge and practical experience that guide viable change. They often take a broad view of care for the whole patient, and they can make connections across disciplines. When everyone is actively involved, there is more support and there are better solutions. Care innovation then becomes a shared ambition and not an extra task. Clinical nursing leadership plays a key role in this process by connecting people, by stimulating ideas and converting ideas into action. In this way, care innovation becomes a team effort, something that really works in practice.
Good patient care and leadership are not mutuality exclusive. Clinical leadership means that as a nurse, you take initiative, think critically, and collaborate to provide the best possible care. It's not about holding a managerial position, but it's about taking responsibility in the daily practice. By demonstrating leadership, you can assess risk more quickly, make better decisions, and ensure the patient's voice is heard more strongly. Clinical expertise is the foundation, but leadership ensures that this expertise truly has an impact. In an increasingly complex healthcare context, it's therefore especially important for nurses to take on leadership roles in the interest of the patient.
Clinical expertise is an important foundation for clinical leadership, but is not enough on its own. A clinical leader combines professional knowledge with strong skills in communication, collaboration, and decision making. Clinical leaders are deeply involved in daily practice. They recognize needs, take responsibility, and use the expertise to inspire others and continuously improve the quality of care. They bring people together, make difficult decisions open for discussion, and ensure that changes are widely supported. In short, a clinical leader is not only an expert in care, but also a driving force for improvement within the team and the organization.
It's true that nurses have always taken the responsibility, collaborated, and shown initiative. But clinical leadership is more than just a new label for what we are already doing. Today, it emphasizes conscious leadership, especially having the courage to step up, to guide change, to inspire others, and actively working for health improvement and quality improvement. The idea may not be entirely new, but the way we recognize it now, we define it as a development and make it truly important and innovative. Clinical leadership provides language and a direction for what nurses do and strengthens their role in increasingly complex healthcare environment and health like it is at this moment. So no, it's not really old wine in new bottles, it's a renewed appreciation and a deepening of an essential role with more impact than ever.
Clinical leaders are at the heart of healthcare and understand the daily changes and needs of both patients and colleagues. That is precisely why they are well positioned to initiate changes that truly meet the needs of practice. They take initiative, inspire others, and work together with the team to create improvements that are both feasible and relevant. Because these changes come from within, they are often better supported and more sustainable. Clinical leadership connects practical experience with vision, and this creates change exactly where it makes the greatest difference in direct patient care.
Clinical leaders do stand out because they go that little bit further, but that extra isn't just about working harder. It's about acting consciously. They take initiative, think critically, and actively commit to quality improvement. They have the courage to speak up when things can be improved, guide change, and inspire others to grow alongside them. This requires not only clinical expertise, but also strong skills in communication, collaboration, and leadership. What makes clinical leadership special is that it starts from everyday practice, with a focus on what patients and colleagues truly need. That extra mile often makes the difference between good care and excellent care.
I think that is correct. Clinical leaders are responsible on multiple levels. I think they communicate respectively and with care with patients, their family and other caregivers. They support teams to make them effectively and feel responsible for high quality and safe patient care. A clinical leader addresses problems by pointing them out and working together with others to find proper solutions. I also think they enhance a positive learning climate in teams, and they focus at all time on patient-centered, high-quality, safe care.